Hey, what's up guys? It's Blake with Boost Portfolio. If you like this video, make sure you click the subscribe button in the lower right of your screen. Also, check our website out at boostportfolio.com. In this video, I'll review the major market sectors and go over today's trading action. Recording this on July 25th, 2017. Okay, we have the SPY pulled up here on a daily chart. The SPY made a new intraday all-time high today. That is a bullish sign. As you can see, we've been in this nice, strong, bullish uptrend ever since March of last year, so we're continuing to hold this trend line. The 20 and the 10 MA are still continuing to slope higher, and most recently we're getting even a higher slope, so that is a more of a powerful move of the recent trend of this most recent uptrend. So let's zoom in and take a look at the SPY. We were trading in this box for roughly around 6 weeks, and we broke out of that box couple weeks ago, and from there we're just continuing to ride this uptrend. The 10 MA is sloping higher, and so is the 20 MA. So as long as these moving averages continue to move higher with the MACD, that is a bullish sign, and I'll continue to remain bullish on the overall market. The IWM showed some very positive signs today. We've been trading in this rectangular box pretty much since the Trump trade back in November. So here we had the Trump trade, a ton of volume coming in. Price moved higher. Sorry about that, guys. Price moved higher, and then right around the end of November, we just kind of traded sideways all the way until now. So that's about 8 months of sideways consolidation. The MACD is moving higher, and you can see we kind of gapped up out of this box. And as long as we stay above this rectangular box, I'll be very bullish on the small caps. One of the things that are leading the small caps higher are the banks. Let's take a look at the XLF, the financial sector. Also a nice move today. Financials are forming this WV pattern. It's a very strong bullish pattern. I would really like to see this MACD cross higher, but I'm not too concerned about it. As you can see, the slope of the MACD is continuing to trend higher with the slope of price. So that's also a bullish sign. If we can break above today's high, right around 2532, there's a lot of really nice individual stock setups within the financial sector, most specifically JP Morgan. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at JP Morgan. JP Morgan is trading similar to the XLF. We have this WV pattern, and once again we've kind of moving higher along with the MACD still with the same slope. So keep an eye on that one. Let's get back into the general sector. So let's take a look at the TLT. The bonds, so the yields had a yields raise today, so the bond prices took a bit of a hit on that. As you can see, the 10 MA and the 20 MA are both sloping downwards, so that's typically not a good sign. The trend seems to be changing towards the downward side. We have this 23 level that's been an area of interest. If we can hold that 23 area, maybe we get a bounce. The MACD is still positive, but hasn't been quite able to get above this zero line. So keep an eye on the MACD and price. But right now we've broken this most recent uptrend to the downside, and below 23 I would get fairly bearish the TLT. Finally, let's take a look at two more. The biotechs, as you guys know, the healthcare had a vote on healthcare today. Really just a bunch of noise in my opinion. But if we scroll out, you can see the IBB has broken out of this ascending triangle pattern. That's a very bullish pattern, and what I really liked about this breakout is you can see we had some volume tick up here. So we've had this nice breakout, the volume came through, we've came back, tested the 10 and the 20 MA, and right now we're just kind of sitting on top of that breakout high from this previous breakout high from all of this volume coming in. So we're staying above that line. I'd like to see us hold that, but you can see the 10 MA and the 20 MA are fairly far deviated from price. So as long as we hold these moving averages and the MACD stays positive, I would like to see the biotechs move higher. One thing I don't like about this, I will say, is today's candle. It's a bearish engulfing candle. Typically an early indicator of a reversal sign, but like I said, as long as these 10 and 20 MAs continue to move higher and we hold the moving averages, I won't get too bearish on biotechs. It seems like money is starting to roll into the biotechs and the financials, so longer term I really like the IBB. Just got to be patient with it. And finally, let's take a look at USO. Oil's catching a bid here. Let's see if we can get any more of a pop. You can see we bounced off this previous low. The MACD is moving higher and above the 0 line, and the 10 and the 20-day moving averages are also sloping higher. Had a nice gap up today and closing higher than we have in quite some time. Sorry about that, guys. Potentially a move up to this trend line, and depending on how we perform once we get here, if we get there, might be an opportunity to short it once again. As you guys know, we've been in a very bearish trend for oil for quite some time, so until that trend really changes, I won't get too bullish on USO, but might get a little pop up to this trend line right around 10.25. Well, that's all I have for today, guys. Let's just recap really quick. The SPY, once again, as I said, still in a bullish uptrend. Wouldn't mind to see some sort of pullback to this 10, maybe 20-day moving average, and just kind of hold those areas before adding to any positions. Right now, I do like the price action, and I do think we head higher in the long term. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to check us out, boostportfolio.com. Until next time, thanks, guys.